Welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my simple and easy creamy cheesy shrimp pasta. My lighting is not that good, but I know you will get over this. Here are my ingredients, guys. I have some pasta. I also have some shrimp that I did washed and deveined. Here I have some celery and some chives, along with some milk and some broccoli. I also have some celery on the other side with some minced garlic and chopped onions. Here I have a combination of seasonings, which is parsley flakes, lemon pepper seasoning, some black pepper, smoked paprika, and I did crush some cubes. So now let's get started into seasoning the shrimp. And don't you forget to check the description box below. So I'm going to mix the seasonings well, and once I'm done, I'm going to season the shrimp. While this is being done, I have a pot with water boiling. And this is my pasta that I'm going to be putting into the pot. I did also add some salt. You want this pasta to boil until it is tender and nice. Once I strain the pasta, I have a pan over medium heat. And here I add some oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm going to start to saute the onion, garlic, and some celery. Let this cook for about 1 minute until the onion turns translucent. So now I'm going to add the shrimp. And you do not need to cook a shrimp too long, guys. A shrimp, especially when it is small like this, it just needs like 1 minute of toasting and it's done. And why I'm only cooking it for 1 minute is because I'm still going to be adding it into the pasta. So it's going to be having like another extra minute of cooking at that point of time. Once my shrimp is finished, I'm going to remove them and place them into another dish. So into this very same pan, guys, that has all the good stuff inside, here I'm going to be pouring my milk. And now I'm adding some parsley flakes, some crushed onions, and now I'm adding the broccoli. Let this stir, guys. Sorry about that. Let this come to a boil. You don't want the broccoli to cook too much. So now I'm going to be adding the shrimp again. Give it a good stir. And now I'm going to be adding the cheese. This is going to bring that nice creamy texture into this dish. I love this combination, guys. Your pasta will be so cheesy and creamy. Wow, I can well relate to this. I love to cook this. Now I add my pasta, give it a good stir, just making sure that everything is evenly distributed in here, all is well combined. I'm also going to be adding some chives and some more celery in here, guys. Give it a good mix. And once I finish mixing this, I'm going to plate myself some creamy, cheesy shrimp pasta. And this is my finished product, guys. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and also leave me a comment. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy!